Hi friends, this is Juliet again from Prega News, and today I am here with my another topic, that is 10 things we do not know about twin pregnancy. So let's get started and see what all things we should know about twin pregnancy. A twin pregnancy is a double blessing, but it can also carry greater risks than singleton pregnancies. Number 1. You are more likely to become pregnant with twin naturally when you are in your 30s and 40s. Generally, we know that the older we get, the harder it is to conceive, but advancing age may actually increase the likelihood of a twin pregnancy. Once a female is 25 or into 30s and 40s, ovulatory cycles are not regular anymore in some cases. If you are not regular and do ovulate, you could be ovulating 2 follicles at the same time, and this leads to twin pregnancy. Second, pregnant women with twin need extra folic acid. Pregnant women with twin may need more folic acid to help stave off birth defects. Folic acid is known to reduce the risk of neural tube birth defects such as spina bifida. Women pregnant with twin clock in more time at the obstetrician. Twin pregnancies require more monitoring than single pregnancies. We tend to do more frequent ultrasounds for growth in twin pregnancies compared with one anatomy scan and one growth scan in a singleton pregnancy. But in this case, the case of miscarriage after amniocentesis is higher in twin pregnancy. Fourth, morning sickness is worse during twin pregnancy. Morning sickness is high level of human chronic gonadotropin, and this level of hormone are higher in twin pregnancies. So mothers with twin baby have a higher incidence of nausea and vomiting in the first trimester. Moms with twin complain of more back pain, sleeping difficulties and heartburn comparative to the mother carrying single baby. Mom with twin have a higher rate of maternal anemia and postpartum hemophase after delivery. Fifth, spotting may be more common during twin pregnancies. Miscarriages are more common in mothers of multiple babies, but little spotting is no reason to hit the panic button even in twin pregnancies. A little spotting in the absence of cramps is reassuring, but when you are cramping, passing clots and actively bleeding, that is a sign that something is happening and one should seek medical advice. Sixth point. In twin pregnancy, mom may not feel the kicking of baby in earlier stage. Many females who have become pregnant for the first time and they bear twin, generally they are not able to distinguish the movement from gastrointestinal activity. Whereas fetal movement become more noticeable at 18th and 20th week of pregnancy. So, do not worry if you are not able to feel the kick. It may be because of insufficient space inside the womb of mother to circulate for both properly. Seventh, in twin pregnancy, weight of the mom is more than a mom carrying single baby. Mothers with twin babies gain more weight as there are 2 babies, 2 placentas and more amniotic fluid. Even this mother need more calories for twin pregnancy. 8. In twin pregnancy, gestational diabetes is higher. As per research, the gestational diabetes risk is higher in twin pregnancies. The biggest risk of gestational diabetes is having larger babies, and this will require C-section delivery. Whereas gestational diabetes is more common, the morbidity associated with it is less common because twin babies are not big babies. 9. In twin pregnancy, risk of preeclampsia is higher. Preeclampsia is marked high by blood pressure, protein in the urine, and sometimes swelling in the feet, legs and hands. And this occurs more frequently in twin pregnancy. If not treated on time, this may become serious, potentially fatal eclampsia. 10. In twin pregnancy, labor and delivery may occur earlier. Twin pregnancy always remain at high risk of preterm labor and delivery and have higher degree of respiratory issues. Generally, twins are preterm babies, that is, they take birth between 36 to 37 weeks. Even if they born in 34 weeks, that should not be a major concern. Twin born with low birth rate tend to have more health problems. Thank you for watching the video, and please like my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Prega News.